Hey guys, I wanted to show you guys, I got a machine off Alibaba, and this is the second one they sent me. The first one they sent got damaged in shipment and it bent the shaft, and so it wasn't usable. So they turned right around and sent me a new one. This is the new one they sent me. And anyway, I think people kind of wonder, why you would want to order off that. But anyway, they quickly turned around and shipped me a new one and told me to keep the other one. So I don't know what I'm going to do with it. But anyway, I'm going to do some test stitches on it. I just got it threaded up and everything, got it set back in the table. And going to run some stitches. I paid $197 for this 4-thread Industrial Serger, and it's one of the new ones. Doesn't have the external motor, it's all internal and stuff, and that's what I wanted. I got tired of the belts and the motors and all that kind of stuff, and these run quieter. It's going to be fairly loud on the video because it's kind of amplified and stuff, but anyway, I've got it threaded. Let's do a test here and see how the stitches look. I've got different colors thread, white, black, red, and a light blue in to see, what's going on with the different stitches. So let's give it a try here and see what it does. I got a piece of denim here that I use for stuff, so. Tighten that up just a bit. Loosen that a couple of notches, and it ought to be good. Well, this one actually works. The other one I had, the shaft was bent in it, and it made all kinds of racket trying to sew. So there's the stitch. Front, the back, looks nice. Anyway, for 200 bucks, I think it's a keeper. I can tell you where I bought it from if you guys have any questions and want to know. The table was also 200, and then you have to pay shipping and stuff, so you'll have to look into that, see what it cost you based on where you are and stuff. But anyway, I was looking at some Jukies and stuff like this, and they were $2,200 to $2,400. So you can save a lot of money. Now, you kind of have to know how to, if the timing gets a bit off or something like that, you may have to know how to do a little bit of work on them and stuff. So if you're looking for complete support from a dealer and all that, you probably need to pay the $2,000, $2,500. That way you'll have the support. But I know how to do all this kind of stuff, and I just thought, you know what, I'm going to take a chance, spend a couple $100 and see what I get. And I think this is gonna be just fine. So I get a little tired of setting up domestic machines and stuff like that, and this one's already set up and I can put thread on it and just go. And that's the reason why I wanted to get it. So that's it, guys. Let me know if you have any questions or not. I'll be happy to answer them.